We are in Georgia and it's been a long travel day. One of the things that we like to do is stop and walk, kind of break up sitting so long. Highly recommend it. And we happen to find this little city park that I want to show you guys. It's really kind of cool. I do not know the history of it, but what I can see is very well thought of. For example, you can see here, there is a plaque. And it tells the name of the tree, who donated it, and what year. All down on the left and the right, you can see right here, all these little stones. I've went around. It's a nice walking path. They have signs up. There's a creek over here. This poor guy's getting washed out. You can see all the different plaques. It's kind of like an adult/kids park. You can see all the cool playground stuff, and then you can learn about trees as you're walking down the path. They have a really cool kind of like swing/zip line for the kids over there. That's pretty cool. And then they have this path with a line going through it. And this one's kind of faded on this side, but on the other side you can see it. Then they have these signs. Each one of these signs has something for the kids to do to walk on the path. Some kind of tip to make them have fun or teach them. Say with hopscotch over on the other side. And then here's the name of the creek. There's some stairs that go down to the creek. Very cool setting. They even have a library box. And again, here's these signs. Here's the kids, really small kids. We got swings over there. They even have disc golf, so if you're into disc golf, they have a couple baskets out here for you to play disc golf. I'll leave the coordinates and try to link if they have a website in the description for this park. So if you're ever in Georgia, I think it's called Delton, Georgia. I could be wrong, but I will link the name of the park and try to get the GPS coordinate. If you're ever in this area, pretty right close to off the highway. Fair amount of parking too. A restaurant. Lots of benches. As you can see, there's benches, there's that zip tie and a swing. See, there's a zip tie, and then it's for the kids to play on. Really cool. And they have like toddler group and more adult or older kids. Really cool little park. Plaques. You know, it's simple, in and off the highway, easy just to get off and walk around. Safe travels.